Welcome back as we present to you a question on the application of L.C.M. K.C.S.E 2023 Mathematics. 3 bells ring at intervals of 12 minutes, 10 minutes and 8 minutes. If they rang first at 10:15 a.m., find when they will ring for the 5th time. So what we are going to do, we are going to approach this question by getting the L.C.M. and we are going to get the L.C.M. of 12. We get the L.C.M. of 10 and 8. So we take 2, which divides 12 6 times. It divides 10 5 times, then goes to 8 4 times. Again we take 2, which goes to 6 3 times. We take, it doesn't go to 5, then goes to 4 2 times. Next we take 2, which does not divide 3, doesn't divide 5, divides 2 once. Then we take 3, which divides 3 once, doesn't divide 5, this is 1. Then lastly we take 5, which gives us 1 1 1. In this case, the LCM is going to be equal to the product of all these factors, which is 2. We have 2 2 2, which can be written as 2 power 3. We have 3, then we multiply by 5, and this one is going to give us 120, and the answer is in minutes. 120 minutes translates to 2 hours. That means the bells ring after 2 hours. We are supposed to calculate when they will ring the 5th time, meaning we take 2, we multiply by 5, giving us a total of 10 hours. What it means, if they are going to ring after 10 hours for the 5th time, and they first rang at 10:15 a.m., this is the same as 10:15 hours. We add 10 hours, giving us 20:15 hours, which translates to 8:15 p.m. the same day. Remember to subscribe to our channel and also help us to share the link. Roman 2 of the question, we find the number of times they would have rang by 4:15 a.m. the following day. What we know is that they first rang at 10:15 a.m. So this is 10:15 a.m. Between 10:15 a.m. today to 10:15 a.m. the next day, we have 24 hours. But remember, we are talking about 4:15. Assuming 4:15 a.m. is around here, between 4:15 and 10:15 we have 6 hours. Meaning between 10:15 and 4:15 a.m. we are going to have 24 minus 6, giving us 18 hours. How did we get the 6 hours? You take 10:15 minus 4:15, it will give you 6 hours. That means we have a total of 18 hours. Meaning if these bells are ringing after every 2 hours, so you take 18, you divide by 2, then of course you add 1 because they had rung before, and that gives us 9. You add 1, meaning by 4:15 a.m. they would have rung 10 times. That is one of the methods of doing this question. which is very, very direct. We proceed with part B of the question. The question reads, when a number is divided into by a 16, 18, and 12, the remainders are 14, 16, and 10 respectively. Find the number. The first thing we are going to do, we take 16, we minus the remainder, which is 14. We take 18, we minus the remainder, which is 16. Then we take 12, we minus the remainder, which is 10. And you realize in all these cases, the difference is 2. So for us to get the number, we are going to first find the LCM of 16, 18, and 12. We take 2, which goes to 16 8 times, divides 18 9 times, then this is 6. We take 2, which gives us 4, 9, 3. We take 2, which gives us 2, 9, 3. 2 again, which gives us 1, 9, and 3. We take 3, which gives us 1, 3, 1. And lastly, we take 3, which gives us 1, 1, 1. So to get the LCM, we are going to take 2. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, which can be written as 2 power 4. We multiply by 3, we have 2 3s. So this is the same as 3 squared, giving us 144. So to get the number we are looking for, therefore the number will be equal to 144. We minus the difference in all these cases, which is 2, giving us 142. Thank you for watching and welcome to this channel. And in case you are watching this channel for the first time, kindly take 1 second and click the subscribe button so that anytime we do a video like this, you'll be given a notification.